Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a highly requested update in VCarve Pro V12.5. In this video, we explore the exciting enhancements in V12.5 designed to make your workflow faster, smoother, and more powerful than ever. From upgraded efficiency tools to impactful visual improvements, this latest release is packed with features to elevate your projects. This video is tailored for existing customers who have recently upgraded to V12.5. We focus solely on the incremental updates and refinements added since the previous version, so you can quickly get up to speed on what's new without revisiting what you already know. Let's dive in. With this update, the Polyline tool now allows you to cycle through different modes using the up and down arrow keys. This gives you precise control over node placement, whether by length and angle, absolute XY, or relative XY, making it easier than ever to position your next node with accuracy. This enhancement allows for precise part creation directly within the 3D view, eliminating the need to navigate form options for a smoother workflow.